Mountain goats of the Rockies at Glacier Park. Awesome Craft Nature. Here there are mountain goats in the tundra plains in Glacier National Park. These mountain goats are great in size as they gallop through the snow. They are leading their family across the snow. There were also many goats on the hills and cliffs too that are walking about finding food. There's mountain goats in the plateau area of Glacier National Park. This mountain goat is slowly approaching. It is large and majestic as it searches for food through the rocky, barren slopes. The soft wool of this animal protects it from harsh weather in this area. The goat is quickly moving to another part of the pass.